India's positivity rate for COVID-19 has increased by more than 1 percentage point in the last 1 month. The Union Health Ministry said that the daily positivity rate on Sunday dropped to 7.9% with 57,981 new cases detected. The cumulative rate have been hovering around 8.8% with 7,31,697 tests conducted in the last 24 hours. India is on its resolved drive to increase its testing capacity to 10 lakh tests daily.
The COVID-19 positivity rate has stabilized at around 8% over the last fortnight, even as daily testing has increased by almost 10 times as compared to last month. This has resulted in India crossing a total of over 3 crore samples tested cumulatively. Despite the surge in testing, the growth factor in new cases, every day's new cases divided by the previous day cases, has also remained largely constant at around 1% point, while the overall active case and fatality rate have started declining. Values of less than 1 are read as a decline. The daily positivity rate on Sunday dropped to 7.9% with 57,981 new cases detected. The cumulative rate has been hovering around 8.8%. As cumulative testing more than doubled in last 1 month, from 1.2 crore sample on July 14th to more than 3 crore on 16th of August. The positivity rate, indicating the total burden of infection as against sample tested, rose from 7.5% to 8.8%. There were several days when it reached 10% and touched 13%. In that context, a stable rate of 8% in the past 2 weeks is better news. The aim, however, is to progressively reduce the positivity rate to 5%. States like Puducherry, Maharashtra, Goa, Chhattisgarh, Himachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal with much higher positivity rate than national average are being watched closely, an official said. The Health Ministry believes a higher number of tests is detecting more cases and that the number can be expected to even out if measures such as prompt isolation, tracking and timely clinical management are implemented effectively beside a degree of public compliance in mask use and social distancing. Daily testing has increased to an average of over 8 lakh samples every day from less than 1 lakh in beginning of July. We will soon achieve 10 lakh tests per day with a focus on states where the positivity continues to be more than 10%, an official said. Bureau Report.